A Day of Hope, remembering Cambodia's courage. Long ago, in a peaceful village in Cambodia, families lived happily. They farmed the land, celebrated festivals, and passed down traditions through stories and songs. But in 1975, everything changed. The Khmer Rouge, led by Pol Pot, took over Cambodia. People were forced to leave their homes, work in the fields, and give up their old way of life. Families were separated, and life became very hard. Schools were closed, and people were not allowed to celebrate or even speak freely. Many people did not have enough food to eat. Even in these hard times, Cambodians showed courage. They helped each other by sharing food, supporting their neighbors, and finding ways to stay strong together. On January 7, 1979, the Khmer Rouge regime was overthrown by Cambodian Liberation Forces with help from neighboring Vietnam. This day became known as Cambodian Genocide Liberation Day. Cambodian Genocide Liberation Day is now a time to remember the millions who suffered and to honor the bravery of those who survived. It also marks the beginning of rebuilding the country. In schools, children learn about this day to understand Cambodia's history. They are taught about the importance of peace, unity, and never allowing such suffering to happen again. At temples, families light incense, offer lotus flowers, and say prayers. These acts show respect for those who lost their lives and hope for a peaceful future. Villagers plant trees and decorate temples with flags and flowers. This represents new beginnings and the growth of Cambodia after such a difficult time. Elders share stories about how the Khmer Rouge period ended and how the country began to recover. These stories help children understand the value of freedom and resilience. Families come together to cook traditional meals and share them with their neighbors. This tradition reminds everyone of the strength of unity and kindness. As children release doves into the sky, they send a message of peace and hope. Cambodian Genocide Liberation Day reminds us to build a future full of understanding and compassion.